Hello everyone, this is Violet and I am here once again to show you how to make white buttercream. You all know buttercream and how yellow it gets when you're trying to decorate, especially when you're targeting lighter tones in your cake decoration, something like white. So yellow just kind of knocks you out, innit? It's going to show you how to mitigate that. So let's get started. As you can see, all I have here is the butter, and the measurements you can find down in the description below. I can tell you straight away. You have 450 grams of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and of course the room temperature butter. I have 225 grams of icing sugar, and it's just add 60 mils of hot water to go with it, and that's the measuring spoon. And so I'm just going to tip the butter into the mixing bowl. You guys watch closely, something epic is going to happen. I am going to lose my balloon whisk. The whisk is going to get squashed. Just watch. And that's it. That's how I lost my balloon whisk. I don't know, for some reason it just packed up. So here I have changed the whisk to the normal cake mixer, so that should work also. So if you have that problem, just change your mixing. So this is me. I've added the hot water into the icing sugar, and I'm creaming just butter at the moment. So I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of vanilla into that icing sugar hot water mix and give it a stir. So while I'm stirring that, the butter is creamy on the other side. You can see that going on the other side, and just make sure you mix the hot water into the icing sugar as much as you can. Then in 2 portions you're going to pour the hot water icing sugar mixture into the creamed butter. So I'm just going to scrape down. Always remember to scrape down. Just scrape down as you go, as much as possible. Now I'm going to tip in half of the icing sugar into the mixture, and I'll tip in the other half after this has been mixed in properly. So I'm going to let the mixer do its job and let that roll for a while. You can see clearly it's being mixed in properly, and that's me tipping in the other half of the icing sugar and water mixture. Now this is a very unique buttercream because it's just going to be so fluffy and so soft. It's amazing the difference between the conventional method of just putting icing sugar straight into butter. So that is the violet color, light purple. I just put just a few spots. Use a skewer if you like to do that. Just put 2 or 3 dots. If you're not happy with the whiteness, add just a few more, because if you just tip the whole yellow, the whole purple into the mixture, you will end up having a different color entirely. So it's just where the purple washes off the yellow, it gives you that white tone. It's a very good way to gauge it. Just add a bit at a time, so you can see clearly that you can see the difference between the back of the bowl and what's in front. So just give it a good mix as you go to achieve the whole white buttercream look that you're going for. So I just put it in for one more mixture. You can see clearly the difference. The buttercream on the paddle and the buttercream, you know, in the bowl is quite different. I'll just do a quick comparison here. That's the buttercream we started from and the finished product. You can see the difference, how white it's become by just adding few drops of purple, or should I say violet. Violet color can turn your yellow into white. So you need a little bit of violet in your life, and you need me in your life, so to say. So well, all that fun side aside, you have now achieved a white buttercream by just adding a few drops of purple, and that's it, all done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe, leave a comment, like the video if you want more of this content. I'm here to give you more. Thank you for watching, and I hope I have been able to show you how you can achieve white buttercream just by the conventional method. I'm looking forward to your comments as usual. I reply every comment. Subscribe and click the notification button so you know when exactly I upload the next video. All the best. Thank you. It's Violet from Bake It and Ice It. Bye.